How to find the perfect home. Welcome, beloved. My name is Yusef, your local Seattle realtor serving the Puget Sound region. Now, in this video, I'd like to talk about the process of finding the perfect home. Knowing what you want, communicating what you want, and being flexible with what you want is going to be the key components to making this process successful. So let's get right into it. Knowing what you want. It all starts with a pen and a piece of paper or a smartphone. Write down all the things you absolutely have to have in your new home. Consider this to be your shopping list, but not a wish list. Shopping list is usually full of things you need, and you certainly know you need it. Think of a grocery shopping list to be a good example of this. Wish list, on the other hand, is typically made up of things you'd like to have but can do without. Besides the shopping list and the wish list, I'll ask you to make one more list, which is your naughty list. This list should have things that your perfect home cannot have. Things that would be an immediate deal breaker if these are found in a home during the tour. Having these things broken down in a written format will allow you to be more objective and help you with your decision-making process down the road. Communicating what you want. Now that you know what you want, it's time to make sure to communicate this to people that need to know what it is you want in your perfect home. At the top of the list, there's the person who you will be living with in this perfect home. Your spouse, significant other, or whoever else it may be that is a part of the decision-making process. It is critical that all parties involved are communicating to make sure that everyone is on the same page. If possible, everyone involved in the decision-making process should have their own lists mentioned in the prior section of this video and share with one another. Another person who absolutely needs to know what you want is your trusted real estate agent. After you share this list and have a meeting with your agent, they should be able to provide feedback on how much of what you have on your list can become a reality based on your budget, and perhaps even suggest that some of the things on your wish list can be moved over to the shopping list. Being flexible with what you want. We have our list. Everyone is on the same page. And now you're ready to find a home and go tour. And boom, you will quickly realize that there's no such thing as a perfect home, which gives you everything on your shopping list and maybe even some of your wish list, but has none of the things on your naughty list. Let's face it, it's extremely rare, almost never, that someone hits the jackpot and gets everything they want. Almost all the time, a perfect home is made through compromising and negotiating. You may need to compromise what you want and negotiate with your spouse. Your agent may need to negotiate certain things on your behalf with the seller's agent. Sometimes you may need to just accept the fact that sacrifices need to be made on certain things. Bottom line is that a perfect home is made by you and your family, not simply just found out of what is available for sale on the market. So when you're ready to search for the perfect home, make sure you know what you want, communicate what you want, and ultimately be ready to be flexible with what you want. What tips do you have to add to this list? I'd love to hear about what you think is important regarding finding a perfect home. My name is Yusef, and I look forward to meeting you to understand your vision, expectations, and applying knowledge and technology to provide you with exceptional service. Thank you for watching, beloved. Look forward to seeing you next week.